Finally had a headlight go out in the Yukon, so I am going to take the chance to actually replace these headlight covers. Got new ones on Amazon for like 180 bucks. They look a lot better. And I didn't expect this, but I believe they come with all the bulbs. Yeah, it actually looks like, look at that. Huh. Wow. That's kind of cool. I wasn't expecting that. I may still upgrade these. I have some silver stars. I think they're called silver stars. Yeah. So I may go ahead and upgrade them. We'll see. This should go pretty quick. Yeah, I wasn't expecting them to be all installed, so that's going to make this a lot easier. So very simple on a Yukon. You can see I've taken all of the grill screws off. They are all, I believe they're all 10 millimeter. Let's see here. Yeah, they're all 10 millimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12. So take all 12 of those out. Now the light's really loose. And then there's one way down in there that you've got to get through the inner fender well, which is kind of dumb. I don't know why they did that. It seems like they could have secured that much more easily or made access much more easy. But anyways, all of this is taking like 30 seconds. So I'll go ahead and get to the inner fender well and take that last one off and then replace these and show what it looks like when it's done.